since this isn't our first rodeo with volume and surface area, we're going to have some fun with it so you don't get bored and you listen to my big mouth. Okay, cool? Cool. Side note, how did I do with my Boston accent? Good, bad, or medium? Okay, so like I said, we're starting with volume, but not for singing, for math, okay? And specifically for 7th grade, we're only talking about the volume of a prism. All right, those are the box-looking things. They're not going to have a pointy top. Box-looking things. Got it? Okay, so for a point of reference, here's some box-looking things. I've got all of these things that are prisms, okay? I've got a rectangular prism, which can sometimes be a cube if all the faces are square. I've got a triangular prism. It's a triangular prism because I named them after my base. So my base is a triangle. Here I have a trapezoidal prism because the base is a trapezoid. And down here in orange, because obviously you can see that so good, is a pentagonal prism. But Miss Moon, aren't all 3D objects kind of box looking? No, I'm so glad you asked. These things are not so box looking. All your pyramids, okay? A sphere, like a ball, that's not box looking. A cone, all those 3D figures are not box looking, and we are not doing it today in the 7th grade. So not box looking, not finding volume. Box looking, let's do it. So now that I have perfectly described what a prism is, step 1 of finding volume. What's your base? Okay? And guess what? For prisms, it's so easy. You just look at the prism and ask yourself, is there any other shape besides a rectangle here? If there is, that's your base. If there's only rectangles, your base is a rectangle. Back by popular demand, my beautiful picture of box-looking things. Now, they're a little bit colored. All right, so on our first one here, obviously when we look at that shape, there's only rectangles. So our base is a rectangle. Now over here, you can see there's a triangle. So our base is a triangle. Then when we look at the pink one down here, oh my goodness, is that a trapezoid? It is. That's your base. And then on our orange one, which you can see better now, I see a pentagon. Base, base, base. But Miss Moon, none of those prisms are sitting on their bases. That's okay, people. Prisms don't always sit on the base. I don't always sit on my base. Do you? Now that you know how to find the base, step 2. Find the area of the base using numbers and math because you're cool. Anyway, some of y'all like to try and come in here and just multiply all the numbers on a prism. But guess what? What if it's a triangle, or a trapezoid, or a pentagon, or a hectagon, or a decagon, or any other shape besides a rectangle? It wouldn't work. You get the wrong answer. So don't do it. Find the area of the base shape. Let me show you how. I have now drawn the most beautiful triangular prism known to mankind and labeled it with numbers. So, first, identify our base. Oh my gosh, is that a triangle? Yes, it is. That's your base. Okay, step 2. Find the area of your base. What we're going to do here is going to blow your mind. You're going to use a colored marker or even your pencil and trace the shape of the base. And then act like that's the only thing on the paper. Oh my goodness, I am magical. I made the rest of it disappear. I just covered it with a piece of paper. But doesn't it make it a whole lot easier to see what numbers we're even supposed to use to find the area of our base? Yes. And now we just plug them into the formula. For a triangle, it's 1/2 times base times height. So 1/2 times 4 times 5. And that'll be 10. Area of the base is 10. Guess what? You're almost done. Step 3. Find the volume of your prism. And all you have to do here is area of your base, which you've already done on the last step, times the height of your prism. Woohoo! So, I'm about to show you the picture of our prism again. And I'm going to go ahead and warn you, if you tell me the height of the prism is 5, I'm going to pull my hair out. So don't do it. Let me give you a little hint first. Alright, listen closely because this part's important. So you know that line that connects our two base shapes on a prism? That's the height of your prism. So on this one, it's going to be the line that connects the two triangles. Yeah. I'm back, and I brought some amazing color coding skills. As you can see, I have now traced both our base shapes in purple. We have two purple triangles. And oh my goodness, is that line highlighted? That line that connects the two base shapes? Oh, it is. That must be because it is the height of our prism. So the height of our prism is 6. And then all we do is we take the area of the base, which was 10, and multiply it by 6. So we get a volume of 60. And that, my friends, is how you find the volume of a prism. Identify the base. Find the area of the base. Multiply by the prism height. Done.